Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and basic settings so you don't chase ghosts. First, confirm speakers or headphones are powered and work on another phone or laptop. This narrows hardware versus Windows issues. Once done, open Settings System Sound and make sure the correct output device is selected. Also check the master volume and the app volume mixer. If an app is muted here, Windows will appear silent even when hardware is fine. Next, focus on drivers and service level settings because they often cause unpredictable audio dropouts. Open Device Manager to update, uninstall, or roll back the audio driver. Update first, roll back if a recent update broke sound. Then open Services, restart Windows Audio and set its startup type to automatic so it runs at boot. Also go to Sound Control Panel, open the Playback Devices properties, set the default format, and disable Exclusive Mode to prevent apps from taking sole control. Finally, apply advanced repairs and verify system integrity to finish the job. Run Windows Settings Troubleshoot playing audio and follow prompts. It can auto-fix registry or service issues. If problems persist, reinstall vendor drivers from the PC or motherboard maker. Generic drivers sometimes fail. For suspected system corruption, run SFC and DISM or use a system restore point to revert to a working state. If nothing helps, a full Windows update or clean install is the fallback. As a tip,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.